morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all? How are you all?
Yes, fine. Thank you for asking, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm fine, ma'am.
Everyone join. Hello, Mariam. How are you, Mariam?
I'm fine.
Satija, how are you? You're not well, na,
I'm
Satija?
fine. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Ibrahim, how are you? How many of
Good
you?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, Ayat. How are you, beta?
I also fine, thank you. Ma'am, this is my pencil.
Oh, wow.
New.
How balloon pencil is it? Is it balloon pencil?
Yeah. If you open it.
Okay. Nice. So
I made it.
how's everything going on?
Show you in
Yes.
many ways.
What are you saying? Ibrahim got such a lovely smile, you know. He's smiling, mashallah. I really like it. Even when I met you for this thing, we went for a trip. You remember Grand Central Mall? I met you. So his face is like jolly. Yes. Mariam was there. Rufaida was there. Ibrahim was there. Ayat was there. Wow, how about you, Asma? Why you didn't come? Yes. Ibrahim, you were there. You came, Ibrahim. Amna
Yes.
and Asma must be there. Yeah, Asma, why you didn't come? And Amna, why you didn't come?
Because I was at my cousin's house.
Okay.
Dinosaur on the wall. Is the dinosaur in the wall?
Good morning, Tony. Good morning, Rufaida. How are you? How are you doing, Rufaida?
The dinosaur is in the wall, teacher. Let's do this. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you? How are you doing?
Good morning, ma'am.
Rufaida is so cute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Asia. Rufaida, turn on your camera. You're looking so cute. Why your camera is off?
How are you, ma'am?
Good morning. Let others join in. We'll start in 2 minutes, okay? Let's start in 2 minutes. Let others join.
Ma'am, what you are doing today?
What do you want to do today? Yeah, Rufaida. Tell me what you want to do today.
Ma'am, what you are doing today? Drawing. Ma'am,
Yeah.
everybody.
I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. Tell me, Rufaida.
Ma'am,
What's your problem?
what we are doing today in the class?
What do you want to do?
DOUBLS.
Okay, Kabir. Good morning, Mariam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Did anyone remember what did we do last class? Anyone? Future class? What did we do?
Ma'am, what we are doing today in the class?
अरे telling beta. Telling. Yes. Yeah, tell me, what did we do last time? What did we do last class? Anyone? Yeah. What did we do? We did drawing, we solved worksheets, remember? We did parts of computer.
You can mute everybody.
Yes, I can, but I want everyone to answer then. Kids are not answering. That's
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, sir. I want to do drawing.
Okay, but beta, this is your computer class, na? How we can simply do drawing only? We have to learn about computers also, na? We have to learn about computers also. Okay, so last class we talked about the different parts of computer, which are electronic device, which are not electronic device. Do you remember? We solved the worksheet. How many of you remember? We solved that worksheet. We were matching different parts of computer. Nobody remembers? Nobody? Nobody remembers? Oh my God.
Ma'am, I remember. Ma'am, I remember. I remember.
Okay, what about others? What about others?
Asma also remembers.
Okay, Asma also remembers. Very nice. Look, one day I gave you to draw the mouse, computer and keyboard. Remember? Today I will give you to write. Okay. When I ask you to write something, it can be anything about yourself, about you can write poem, you can write short story if you are able to write it, or one sentence, two sentence. If I tell you,
Ma'am?
kids, yeah, Mariam, yeah,
Can I write a small poem?
sure, you can. If I tell you, kids, you have to write a poem, a story, or anything you feel like. Where will you write? Where will you write? Yeah, tell me.
In my notebook.
Yes, very nice. Who said that? You'll write it in the notebook.
Mariam.
Okay.
Mariam.
But if I tell you, okay, you don't have to write it with a pencil and on your note in your notebook. You have to do that same thing in the computers. You have to do the same thing in the computers. So where will you write it? Where will you write it? Rufaida, I can't hear you, Rufaida.
Textbook.
Where?
Textbook.
Where will
Textbook.
you write? Where will you write?
Ma'am, Asya saying textbook.
Textbook? No. I'm not talking about the notebook or textbook part. I'm
Ma'am, in the computer.
yes, but in computer where? There are many things in the computer. You understand, Rufeda? You cannot simply like start typing and writing.
Ma'am, files.
Files. Okay. There are files which have specific name, which are there only for writing. Anyone knows? Anyone knows? Think.
Ma'am, I knew the files.
Okay.
Microsoft Word.
Okay, kids, it is known as Notepad. Have you listened about it? Notepad, where you can write, where you can type your
Notepad.
yes. Chalo, get me a book fast. Get your book. Everybody is going to write a short poem. Then we will write it on notebook.
Ma'am, computer book, right?
No, yes. Computer book, or you have made computer book, then it's fine. Go get it.
Yes, I have.
I want everyone to write.
Ma'am, what a poem.
Yes, a poem.
Ma'am, poem.
That poem, we will write it on the computer, in the computer file. Let's see which file I will use. Okay, and I'll teach you how to use that. What happened, Rufaida? Why are you sitting blank? What's the problem? Rufaida, open your book, notebook, and start writing a poem or about myself, a story, whichever you think. How much you know you have to write that.
Ma'am, I'm writing a poem.
Chalo, fast. Hardly 5 minutes. Then we have to write it on a computer. My main object.
I'm writing myself.
Not in the notebook. That can be done.
Writing the paper.
Okay, we'll do, Rufaida. We'll do. I just want your writing. It can be in your paper. It can be in notebook. Just what you are writing. So that I will speed up in the computer. I'll start typing in computer. Okay, Rufaida? Fast. We cannot waste time. We have to do that.
Ma'am, which poem I'm writing is very small.
Very small. I can hardly look. It's just 2-3 lines. 2-3 lines is enough. I'm not asking you to write things. Only 2-3 lines are enough. Okay. Khatija, are you writing? Khatija?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about you, Ahmad Noor? What about you, Mariam? Mariam left her place. I can see Rufaida. I can see Amna, Mariam, Ayat, Asia, Ibrahim, and Kabir. Kabir, are you writing? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ayat, what have you written? Tell me. Ayat, tell me what have you written?
It passed. You're not your English teacher. Why you remove English book? She's a computer teacher. You want computer book?
No. I'm writing a poem in this.
Ayat, Ayat, unable to read it. Can you read it, Bita, for me? Unmute yourself and read it. Okay, very nice. Have you done? Yeah, how much time? Fast, fast, fast. Yeah, Kabir. Yeah, Kabir, go on.
How to write poem?
You don't know? Okay, can you write your name?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
write your name, your age, that you can do it, Asma?
Yes, ma'am.
Do that. Yeah, Kabir, unmute yourself and you can speak.
Ma'am, I can make a story.
Yes, you can, but you have to do it fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we have to learn how we have to write it on computer.
Ma'am, what's third largest? Ma'am, what's Johnny's spelling?
Johnny.
Which is the second largest country? J.
Khatija, turn
Ma'am,
on the
what?
camera. Let me see you.
Ma'am, what happened?
Turn on. Yeah. What are you writing? Johnny.
Jomhy.
Yes.
Ma'am, what we have to do? Ma'am,
Yeah.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Okay. Who's saying? Who's asking that?
Asia. क्या उनको लिखूंगा
Yeah, you have to say it to me, Asya, because these things are not visible to me. Yeah, Asya.
Well, we had my name is Asia. I love to eat chocolate.
Okay. Okay, fine. Ibrahim, what you have written? Chalo, done. Time is up. Otherwise, when will I start with computer class? Proper computer class. Ayat is eating. Rufaida, what you have written? Yeah, sorry. Rufaida, what you have written? Tell me.
Ma'am, I'm not finished yet.
Okay.
And just one.
Story,
Ma'am.
written. Tell me what you have written. Amna, what you have written? Fast, fast. We will start with the notepad.
Myself.
Oh, wow, Amna. Can you tell me, Amna? Look, Asya has written so beautifully. Even I have. Yeah. First let Amna. First let Amna read it.
My name is Amna Sayed.
बताओ मिलेगी
My
अभी
name
मिली
is Amna Sayed.
Yes.
My name is Amna Sayed Arif. I am 6 years old.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry,
I just want 2 lines. It's okay. It's okay, Amna. Rufaida, tell me. Rufaida, tell me what you have written. Yeah, Rufaida, tell me.
Okay. I like my mom.
Okay.
I help my mom. I help my mom, and I help my mom and dad.
Oh, wow. Lovely. Lovely, Rufaida. Okay. Everybody done? What about you, Kabir?
समझ में आ रहा क्या
Very
पढ़ा रही
nice, huh,
मैम?
Rufaida? Even Asya? Very nice. Okay.
written the story. मैं क्या पढ़ा रही हूँ मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा.
Okay. Tawheed, listen, beta. I
Yes.
have asked you to write something. Have you written anything?
What is
Short poem about yourself like others have written. Have you written?
this have to write?
Yes. From when I'm saying, have you written? Just short story or short anything, 2 lines you have to write it. Like Rufaida have written so beautifully.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Kabir, tell me yours. What happened, Kabir?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. If you can't say it's okay, you can just type it in a chat box and you can inform me what you have written. Okay, kids, listen. Now listen, come to the main point. If I want to write the same thing, kids, listen. If I want to write the same thing in computers, what will I do? What will I do? Where will I go? Look, everybody now stop it. Time is up.
You will go to Notepad.
Yes, very nice. How would you go to Notepad? The main thing is coming right now. The purpose of you to write all this thing is how if computers are not there, you are writing it in the notebook with the help of a pencil. But how about if I want to write it in a computer, where I should write the story or the poem, the writing stuff? Okay, which software is there? I am going to explain you that. Okay, now everyone, put your pencil. It's okay, time is up. Now the screen is visible to everyone. Screen is visible to everyone. Look, I'll go to the search over here. Can you see the tab over here? Yes, I'll type Notepad. Can everybody see this desktop app Notepad on your computers? You can also similarly type on your Windows in your computer. Search for Notepad. I got it. Or look, go to this Windows button.
Johnny, yes, Papa. The laptop. It is started doing the laptop.
सिमरन जा रहे थे ये आ गए 8:30 बजे कल आ गए क्योंकि जल्दी जा रहे हैं ना सुबह में 9 बजे निकल जा रहे हैं तो 10 बजे वहाँ पहुँच जाते हैं चाबी नहीं हो रहती है बैठ जाते हैं 11 बजे ड्यूटी तो ये जल्दी जाते हैं तो कल जल्दी निकल गए थे
380.
Can everybody see the screen? How did I keep Notepad? Everybody can see the screen? Notepad? Okay. Now tell me, what all you want to write over here? Tell me. This is my Notepad software. Okay, this is my, stop it.
क्या क्या लेंगी, वो पूरा लेंगी या फिर
Okay,
खाली वो
chalo.
लेंगी?
Let me write about this. Can roses are red? What about sky? Tell me, what is sky?
अरे
The sky is blue.
Yes. Tell me what you tell me.
Ma'am,
What should I
sky
write?
is blue.
You tell me what should I write? Okay, I'll take from each one of you. I'll take one sentence.
Hey, wait a second. I know what.
Mariam Gola, are you there? I can only see Komal sitting there. Mariam, are you there? Mariam,
Ma'am, you can please mute the other.
wait,
how
wait.
it's
Just give me 2 minutes.
how it's 100 हो गया और जेंडर 100 हो गया 320 और क्या है वो शाइनर है
Ma'am, you can
Yeah.
mute everyone. There is a lot of disturbance.
2320
Now is it fine? Now is it fine? Okay. Now look. Okay. Now I want, what is this? Everyone tell me, what is this? Everyone together, tell me what is it? Notepad. Okay?
Notepad.
Now, first I want Kabir to give
Ma'am,
me one
notepad.
sentence. Yeah, Kabir, tell me what you want me to write it. This was my roses are red, sky is blue. Curie is the best. Yeah, tell me. I can write this. Not this. Look. Is it fine? Is it fine? Okay. Who would Rufaida? Kabir, first you tell me your sentence. Yeah, Rufaida, Kabir, you tell me your sentence. What do you want me to write? Tell me.
Ma'am, you are asking me.
Yes, any one sentence. Tell me. Okay, Rufaida, would you like to say? Rufaida, any one sentence. Come on, unmute yourself and tell me so that I can explain you. What?
Ma'am, notepad.
What notepad, beta? I am telling you, give me one sentence. I'll take one sentence for each of you. Yeah, tell me.
Teacher, why?
Yeah? No sentence. Nobody is having any sentence. Yeah? Ayat?
Sky.
Okay, the sky. Very nice.
The
I'll-
sky.
Yes,
Teacher, why?
the sky
Is falling.
is, the sky is
Falling. Falling.
falling. The sky is falling. Okay. Okay, next. I want Khatija to say one sentence. Khatija, fast, fast.
Okay.
Fast.
Violets are blue.
Oh, wow, lovely.
पाउचेस तो सब पहुंचा दिया था
You?
15
Sure.
से निकाला
Okay, I'll write.
पड़ेगा
What about others? Chalo. Who will say now? Tawheed? 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 Yeah, Tawheed. Yeah.
14
Yeah, Mariam. Tell me, what
Blue sky. Ma'am, blue sky.
sky is written? The sky is falling, given by Rufaida. Yeah, Sia, tell me. What do you want to say?
Blue sky.
Yeah, Sia, tell me. What is it?
Roses are red.
That's what I said. Okay, roses are red. Or should be
Teacher, the
red.
blue shirt.
आती रहो तो हमें संभाल के जाओ
Roses are red. Okay. What about others? Do you want to add something?
The blue shirt. The
Yes.
blue shirt.
Yes. What is it?
The blue shirt.
The blue shirt. Okay. The blue shirt. Let's not enter the blue shirt. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? You can write anything you feel like. You want to write a poem, you want to write about yourself, you want to write about anything. There you can write it in what? In notepad. It's like a notebook. Notebook in the computer. That's it. But here you have certain features where you can. Okay, and kids, do you understand what is font? Tell me, do you understand what is the meaning of font?
Ma'am, the ant is brave.
Yeah. Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of font? Do you understand?
Font is the writing style.
Yes, very nice.
Ma'am, I want to
Writing
tell
style.
you. Font is like
Yeah,
like
Rufaida,
one water.
What? Sorry.
Font is like. Ma'am, can I say one sentence?
Yeah, font is what?
Font is
Font is like your words, beta. Which word is this? Letters.
Ma'am, can I say a sentence?
Okay. Whatever we write in words, right? With the letters, that is my font. The writing style.
Okay.
Okay, Rufaida. Now, in
Yes, ma'am.
computers, look, in notebook, when you are writing in the notebook, if you want to change your handwriting, you have to erase it, and then you have to, like, you have to make it better. If you feel that my handwriting is still not better, then again you'll erase it, and again you'll write it. But in computers, everything is automatic. If you want to change the fonts means the writing style or the writing matter. If you want to change it, you have everything over here. Can you see it? The tools, file, added, formats, everybody. Today I will explain you about the font. Anybody else wants to add anything in this statement? Anything else? You can take any. You can take a poem also. Let's take a. Yeah. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a sentence.
Okay, which sentence? Anybody wants to
Ma'am,
take
I have
a
a
poem also?
sentence, ma'am.
Then I'll explain. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a sentence.
Please speak out. Whichever sentence you are, please speak out.
The ant is brave. Ma'am, the ant is brave. The ant is brave.
The ant is what?
Brave. Brave. मेरा तो बेड का छुओगी वो
Okay,
वाला.
the ant is brave. That's what you said. Who's that?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it fine? Okay. Chalo. Now look, what am I doing?
Yes.
I am. Next time when we meet, next time when we meet, I will ask everyone to type it on the notepad. Everyone. So now you have to understand. Look. Look here. Go to format. Can you see this format? Go to font. Now look, what am I doing? Over here, can you see the font? Wait, I'll just put it in the between. There are 3 different categories in font. One is what type of font you want, what is the style of the font, and what is the size. Let me first change the size. I'll go for the simple one. Look, I want more bigger. I can increase it. 28, 30. I want more bigger.
We have to make aeroplane.
Aeroplane? Here it is a writing partner, beta. You cannot insert picture in notepad. Look at the spelling. It got increased. Look at the size of the font. What happened? What is? What is font? That is your question. The font is the words which you are writing. That is the font. Okay. In simple. What happened? Tell me what happened to the size of my font. Can anybody tell me what did I do to the size of my font? What did I do? No one. I went to format section, then to the font, and I increased. Can you see the size over here? You see the size I have increased. Now I want to decrease the size. It's too big. Let's make it 14. 14 or 16. You can see over here, they'll give you a sample. How much the size will appear, how much big the font will be. Okay. Look, decreased. Look, the size had got small. The font size had got small. Okay. Now I want to do what? I want to change the font style. This was italic. Bold. Bold looks like this. Bold italic looks like this. Regular look like this. I'll keep it to bold. And I'll put it okay. Look, can you see the font style has changed? Can you see this? The font style has changed. First it was what? It was italic. Now it is bold. I can change it to bold italic also. Bold italic. Okay. Now, I want to change the font itself.
Ma'am, are you doing this on Word Bank?
Yes, beta, from when? Look, I have opened Notepad. Notepad is given, it's there in your computer. Open the Notepad. Moment you open a file, you can type the stuff which you want. Okay? The purpose, like you have a notebook in your, this thing in reality, in computers, you have a Notepad. Okay? And whatever you want to type, you can type it in a notepad, and here I'm teaching you how you can change the font style, font size, font itself, how you can change it. Okay, now I want the handwriting. The handwriting should be different. Let's take, there are many. Let's take Latin and put it okay. Can you see? Can you see it changed? Can you see? To change the handwriting in your notebook, what you have to do, you have to erase it and you have to write it again and again. But here, with just a simple click, you can change the handwriting of the font, you can change its style, you can change the size. If I want to increase the size, tell me, what will I do? What will I do? Let's make it 26 and I'll put okay. Can you see? Can you see? The size of the font is increased. The letters are bigger now. The letters are bigger. First it was smaller. Now the letters are bigger. Okay. Okay. Now chalo. Now I explained you about font. Yeah. Anyone has a question? Now, how would I save this? Can you see file over here? Can you see the file? File. Go to file. Then save as. I will save this file name as Curie. Curie file. Okay. Poem. Let me put it poem. Now I want to take, look, where you want to save it. I want to save it on my desktop. So I've just clicked on desktop.
Ma'am, mine not done.
This is what you don't have to write this. You have to write this on your computer in Notepad. Now let me see. I'll just cancel this. Okay. Now, can everybody see my screen? Look, can everyone see my screen?
Ma'am, mine not done.
Everybody can see my screen. Look.
It's a background of
Yes.
your laptop.
Yes. Here, I have saved Curie. I have saved your your Notepad file on my desktop. Can anybody search it from it? I know there are many things over here. Can anyone search it? I got it. Where is your file? Can anyone search it? Where is it? Where is it?
It's in the Curie poem.
Yes. Can you see? I'll just annotate.
11:30 p.m.
Yes, I'll just annotate.
11:30 p.m.
Yes. Can you see this? And I can simply open this. And moment I open this, I'll see what my file. I can see my file again. I have saved it on desktop. Okay, kids, are you there? Have you understood? Today we have done. If we want to do the typing work, writing work in computers, which app we will use? Which app we will use? Tell me together. What we will use? Tell me.
Notepad.
What is it called, everyone? What is it called? Notepad. What Notepad do for you? What is the use of Notepad?
You can write in it and save your writings.
Yes, it helps you the way you like it. You write it in the notebook. You can write it in the computers with the help of a notepad. Notepad helps you in the writing part. Okay. Now let me ask few questions. Let me see how much my kids are sitting a lot. I'll take a new file. If I don't want this, I can take a new one. Just go and click. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
mine not done.
But you
Not
don't have to
done.
write this. You don't have to write this. This was just an example. You can write anything in Notepad. It's up to you. Okay. I'll write. Whose name should I write? Asya. The name of a person should always start with a capital letter. Shouldn't have small letter. Okay. The first name. Asya. Then Kabir. Look at my font. Look at my font. Font means the spelling which I'm writing. Okay. Now I want Ibrahim to answer. Ibrahim. Yeah, tell me. If I want to change the size of this font, where will I go? Which part I'll go to? Tell me. Go to format. Okay. Then Rufaida will tell me, where will I click on? After format, where will I click on? Tell. You are right, Rufaida. Tell. Yes, Rufaida is right. I cannot hear you because you have muted yourself. Font. Very nice, Rufaida. Okay. Now, I want to change the size. Asya, you will answer. Where should I go? There are 3 categories. Where should I go to change the size? Tell me.
Small.
Which side? Where should I go? I should go on this part. I should go on this part or this part. Tell me. Size. Go to size. And where will you click on? You want to change the size.
72.
You want to make it
72.
Yes, not 72 will be very bigger.
72.
Go to 18. 18 is fine. And then type, say, okay.
Smaller.
Have you seen the spellings became small? Have you seen this? The spellings became small. Okay. We will talk about this more when we meet in the next session. Okay. So kids, what have you started today with? Tell me in computers. What have we started? Tell me together. What did we talk about?
Notepad.
Notepad. What Notepad help us to do? Notepad help us to
Write too.
write these small
And save it.
short stories, poems.
Mom,
Yeah, Rufaida.
it's finished class.
Yes.
Mom,
Okay.
Mom,
Next
Mom,
session.
I want to say what I wrote.
Yeah, tell me what you have written. Others can leave. Others can leave.
Ma'am,
Questions can remain. Otherwise, others can leave.
I am not done.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Yeah, Mariam, tell me.
Mom, I wrote 2 things.
Yeah.
First, I'll tell you my rhymes.
Okay.
1. It is puff, the rhyme's name. 1 puff, 2 puff, 3 puff, 4, 5 puff, 6 puff. You can't see me anymore.
Oh, wow. Lovely. Lovely, Mariam.
And ma'am, I made another thing.
Yeah.
Roses are red, violets are blue, and so are you.
Oh, wow. Lovely, Mariam. Lovely. Okay, we'll do more about this in our next session. Chalo, bye.